right.
Evan.
And
This is, what is it?
Boston After Dark.
Boston After Dark.
And you approve?
Oh, I approve. Let's do this shit.
All right. And your name over there, young lady?
Caitlin.
Ka-
I also approve.
Awesome. Now I'm gonna have to ask you, how do you spell Katlyn? Because
Okay. K-A-I-T-L-Y-N.
there we go. Okay, because I actually put it in the description for you, so this way you'll be able to see yourself. You'll be able to find yourself. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So trivia is on.
Classic TV show featuring David Duchovny and Gillian Anderson was resurrected in 2016.
Oh, yeah. No idea. You have any idea what it is?
The X-Files.
Alright. Yeah, really.
The beaver is the national emblem of which country?
That's Canada.
Ding, 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 ding.
Canada. In the hit TV show Friends, what is Chandler's last name?
Bing.
Ding, 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 ding. Boy, you guys are good.
What song topped Billboard charts for 14 consecutive weeks in 2015?
In 2015, that
Yep.
was probably like Replay or something.
I want to say it's Love Yourself, but I'm not sure.
Uptown Funk, Bruno Mars.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the name of the 1984 sci-fi movie starring Linda Hamilton in the role of Sarah Connor?
That's an easy one. Come on now.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it Star Trek? Star Trek's a show.
No, it's not Star Trek. They're actually doing another one, and the main actor used to be a governor. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Terminator.
The Terminator.
This one's taking a little while.
What is Batman's butler's name?
Oh.
Alfred. I gotta give you the answer to that one.
What is the total number of dots on a pair of dice?
Quick math.
Oh, shit.
Oh, 6 to the second should be 36. 72.
42. Who played Jack Dawson in 1997's Titanic?
Oh.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah.
Which mega superstar singer's real name is Stefani Joanne Angelina Germanata?
Lady Gaga?
Whoa! Somebody knows their music.
Lady Gaga. Who
Who's on
won
your
the
team?
2016 Grammy for their album of the year, 1989?
Adele.
That's Adele.
No.
Oh, Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
Very good.
She's alive.
In the movie Babe, what type of animal was Babe?
Oh, come on, a pig.
Very good. There you go.
Pig.
Gotta give some easy trivia.
Who is the oldest of the Kardashian sisters?
Oh,
It's
God.
Kim.
I don't know.
Nah, I want to say it's Courtney.
Courtney?
Courtney.
There we go.
Which James Bond actor made his debut in the 2006 Casino Royale?
Oh, that's fucking the blonde guy. What's his name? Fuck.
Don't think his name is Fox. Alright.
Daniel Craig.
You're supposed to get.
What
Why was I supposed to?
Tom Hanks movie won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 1994?
1994 is probably, what's that? The game one.
No, it's not a League of Their Own.
Is it the one with him and the
Ma
underwear?
always said life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. There you go.
Forrest Gump.
There you go.
What crime-fighting cartoon dog bears the initials SD on his collar?
No?
Scooby-Doo.
Thank you. There you go.
Scooby-Doo. Howard Wolowitz is a fictional character from what popular TV show?
Big Bang Theory.
Very good.
The Big Bang Theory.
I love that show.
In what movie did Julia Roberts play a prostitute named Vivian Ward?
I'm gonna say
Say it louder so they can hear you.
Woman.
Pretty Woman. There you go.
Pretty Woman. The Statue of Liberty was given to us by which country?
Spain.
France.
Fuck.
Which movie features the song Ding Dong, the Witch is Dead?
Wizard of Oz.
Very good. There you go. You guys are on a roll now.
The Wizard of Oz. Which popular American TV comedy follows the lives of Jay Pritchett and his family?
Oh, Modern Family.
Very good.
Modern Family. In the Ice Age movies, what is the name of the woolly mammoth?
How's this right? Isn't it like woolly or something?
No.
It's that way.
That way?
Yeah, it's woolly.
Manny.
It is
Manny.
Manny.
That's right.
It is Manny.
Manny, short for Manfred.
Where all those Hondas
The
are.
Pyrenees mountain range separates which two European countries?
All right, we'll let this be the last one.
You want to repeat it?
Sure. The Pyrenees.
and Spain.
Ah, fuck.
All right. If you guys want to say, well, I'll get you over there. But if you want to say goodbye to YouTube Nation,
Bye.
check from the door there. Don't open
Thank
there.
you very much.
And I got a gift for you. Now, unfortunately, since HBO hasn't picked up my show yet, my gifts are limited.
Oh, that's fine.
But I think you'll enjoy this. You get your very own Boston After Dark liquor.
Oh,
Hell
nice.
yeah.
It's a keepsake, so when we become rich and famous, you can be like, I was in that car and did trivia.
Is it vodka?
It is vodka. It's either a citrus or vanilla vodka, one of the two.
Thank you very
Guys, have a great night.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.